Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube with the Petar method. So the first step is to make CPFB, stands for corner permutation first block. I'll do it like this. First I make the first block, then I do corner permutation. It's not very efficient and you should not do it like this, but it's the only way I know how to do it. I mean, I can do it differently. I prefer to do it like this. Alright, now that corner permutation is solved and first block, you will want to do edge orientation, which is pretty straightforward. Also, I'm not doing it very efficiently because I've not learned the cases. So what I'm doing is definitely not the best thing you can do. Alright, next step is to solve any edge piece of the belt and connect it with an oriented corner under it. So I see this one, but it's not that easy to set up, but it's better than this one, I think. No, I'll make use of this one. So make the pair here, and then I insert it. It should not take more than 3 moves. I mean 4 moves. Next, you solve corner permutation while solving the FR edge right here. I'm doing the 2-look version because, yeah, I've not learned all the algorithms. So first I insert the unoriented corner, and now I do an algorithm. Kind of forgot. Oh, I did something wrong. Okay. Now it's still not solved because I'm bad at this method. So what I'll do is I'll just do this to insert it. Make sure to use M2 if you're inserting, because if you don't, you're going to break your edge orientation. Now you have last 6 corners and edges, 7 edges. Last 6 corners and last 7 edges. Alright. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to build any DR. I mean, you want to build any line, like here. You want to build of any color and then put it down here. In my case, I got lucky and I got the correct DR line, and it's also lined up perfect. So now I can just do LSE from root. If you have a different DR line here, then you might have to do some extra moves using U2 and stuff. I've not figured it out entirely, but I'm getting there. I'm going to switch to this method as my main method. And yeah, if you want to know more about the method, want to learn the algorithms, or you just have a question, you can join my Discord or leave a comment in the comment section. Bye.